So, good afternoon. I'm going to give you some information about how to use the script panel. So, if you open Salstat2, here you can see the script panel. If you press, then you see the header. It is the name of the software. In this case, is Salstat2. Also, there is a toolbar. As you can see, there is a run script, new script, load, save script, save as, undo, redo, and some action like could, copy, paste, and find. So, also in the left hand side, as you can see, there is a number of lines. Line number 1, line number 2. So, let's start by defining some variables. The variable orange, to orange, and tomatoes, 5 tomatoes, and the total of fruits. Well, I know tomato is not a fruit, but orange plus. Okay, if we want or we like to see the results, we open the log panel and the shell panel. Then I say print fruits. Let's see if there is a error or if not. Tomatoes is not defined. Tomatoes, here it's a error. Let's correct the error. Then run again, and you see there is a set 7 here. Okay, let's clear this screen. So by using the CLS command, the screen it is clear. And if I use print amount of fruits, or the amount of fruits are, it's an integer. So I say this symbol and plus I, then this symbol plus the variable. So let's run it again, and we have the amount of fruits are 7. By using the scripting, also you can define functions. For example, if you want to have a function that has as parameter the orange and tomatoes, you just have to define something like this. Define, and the function it is sum fruits. My parameters are orange and tomatoes, and let's continue, or return orange plus tomatoes. In this case, the return is used to return the value. In this case, the value is orange plus tomatoes. So let's use this function, fruits equals sum fruits, and say orange it is 2 and tomatoes 5. Running again, we have the same 7. Okay, CLS and run again. It is 7. The amount of fruits are 7. Also, you can define some default values. Another fruit, apple, and default value 1 apple. So we can input here 2 apples, and we obtain 9. So it's 9. Let me see if I don't think orange apple. Okay, plus apples. apples. Alright, return again, and there is here the amount of fruits are 9. But if you don't input this value, the default apples must be 1, so you obtain 2 orange plus 5 tomatoes plus 1 apple, so it must be 8. So by using the scripting, you can also manipulate the data entry panel. So if you want, you may, or you could test some commands into the shell panel, then write the commands into the script panel. For example, grid put call and column 0, 1, 2, 3. So then you can copy this command and paste. Okay, print, putting some data into the data entry panel. As you can see here, the line is rapid. Let's move one step to left. Grid put call column 0, but we want to put the amount of fruits. Sorry, it is a string. Amount of fruits, and just fruits. Let's run, and you have amount of fruits 8. Here it is easy to manipulate into the data entry panel. You can copy, paste, and do a lot of stuff. If we want to save this script, you just have to save the script. Okay, then example 2 about fruits, and the script was saved. If you make a comment, if you write a comment line defining functions, then if you press save again, then the script is saved and you don't have to input the name again. If you open the script 2, we can see defining the function by closing, continue. But if you want to save with another name, you have to press the save script as, and you can copy example 2 again, and save. Okay, when you save this data, the data must be saved at the script 2. Let me say that if you have a error, if you can see here, it is a command and it is an unknown variable. If you run, then you can see the error, name error. This variable is not defined in line 11. You can see, then you can go to the line 11 and you can correct your mistake. Also, you can undo and redo some action. If I press undo, and redo, then all changing. Okay. Also, there is an option where you can drag some data. For example, if I open the example 1, I drag into the script panel, automatically adds a new tab with the next name that contains the script that I drag. Okay, if you like to search for something word, for example orange, and then press next, you have obtained next. If you press F3 key, then you move through the words that the system has searched, have find. Okay, let me cut and let me paste. Oh, sorry. Undo. Cut. Paste. Orange. Orange. Okay, I think it is everything for the script panel. If you want to add a new tab, you just press new tab, or if you want to load the script, you press load and load the script. You can collapse also some contents. Okay,